We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with the SPY approaching the resistance and key levels we were looking at based off the history of the chart, and all-time highs up here, getting really close here on the SPY. Now, in today's volatility, our SPY bot sent out a bull indicator since 10 a.m. You could see it there after the bell, and it did not get canceled with a bear indicator until 2:05, and it lasted very shortly because at 3 p.m. it got canceled again. But that bull indicator was pretty strong. Those inflows picked up, full strength there on 42 vision, and the SPY went up from 606.02 all the way up to highs up here of 607.81. Call options went up nearly 200% plus within hours, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge over the charts, you can now gain access to it as well to get equipped with the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of these charts. And we look forward to having you join us, getting connected to our bots, our 42 vision indicators, and joining the community of members using these resources. So check out the link down below. We look forward to having you join us. So here we are with the SPY, the SP 500 index, going ahead and continuing with this strength. This has been a 3-day run here. The question mark is, could it start to slow down? And that's what we're going to look at in just a moment here. But we could see how the SPY used the pre-market strength and broke through that resistance of 606 and headed straight up to 607 based off the history of the chart. When we go all the way back here towards December, right? It was choppy there between 602 and 607.50. And some of the highs up here were 608, almost reaching 609. Now, a lot of people are debating, is it going to slow down here, or is this going to try to run for 610? We're really close, because once we break through that all-time high near 608, almost 609, then comes the resistance of 610. So we're going to break down those key levels here in today's video. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY, the SP 500 index, under a bull indicator on the 30-minute since 592, and this 3-day run, no cancellation of any bear indicator, and also bright green bars back to back. There was only dark green bars that popped up here, but no red bars, no extreme weakness of white referred borders on 42 vision. Just pure strength here for the last 3 days and breaking through key resistance levels. Now we're up here near 607, and the whole entire day the SPY, once it broke through it, has been fighting here in the second half to stay above it. Now when we go ahead and zoom out and look at this from the 1 hour, same thing, bull indicator since down here at 583, and it's been strong and continuing for the last 5 days. And then when we go out all the way to the 4 hour, a bull indicator popped up on that reversal, canceling out that bear indicator from 588, holding strong here since 582 as well, and it popped up the same day of the 1 hour. So multiple confirmations of bullish and strength, and any pullback for as long as this bull indicator is intact, right? No bear indicator popped up and bright green bars, that would signify possible dip opportunities to continue to ride the trend. And this is where 42 vision gives us that edge, right? And you can receive this clarity and edge as well. The link is down below in the description by getting connected and joining the community. So you could see how the 4 hour goes ahead and stays intact, and in the volatility, right? If we zoom into the 15-minute, we could see when these bear indicators and bull indicators pop up, but quickly they get canceled by bull indicators. And as soon as a lower time frame shows a bull indicator again and then support is found and held to retest resistance levels back up. You zoom out and look at the 4-hour, it's been holding strong all this time. And if we go to the 1 day, we could go ahead and see here how a bull indicator popped up, and we've done a full transition to bright green bars. And this is where it gets interesting. We're up here near key resistance levels where the last bear indicator popped up at 605, 606 level, and a bull indicator holding strong since 589, changing things around. But now we've hit a bright green bar, and we need to keep in mind the resistance, the all-time highs, and how we're up here at a full transition on the 1 day. We want to see if multiple bright green bars start to pop up, or will it slow down here and consolidate? That's a possibility. This run has been strong, and it canceled out that bear indicator. So let's zoom in and talk about the key levels I would watch. So the first thing is support. The first support is 606.50. If that gets broken through, then I'll be watching 605, and then comes 604 to 603. Now, to the upside, we want to see these bull indicators continue to hold strong, and this momentum on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour, and inflows to continue strong. And the first resistance is 608, and then above that is 610, guys. This is a very tight range up here of all-time highs and previous levels touched, right? And where consolidation happened before a huge drop back down to 577. We also hit those levels again before running back up here. In the bigger picture, if you zoom out, you could see that it turned out to be a triple bottom. And on the 4 hour, you could see here the big picture of coming up, coming down, coming up, and coming down, and now ripping. So I'll be watching this closely. Those are the key levels to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial. I would not ignore them. And if you guys want to get connected and join the community and receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, get connected. The link is down below in the description or the top pinned comment. And we look forward to having you join us, and you can get equipped to navigate through the volatility of the markets and these charts. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.